So hey guys, how's it going on? Welcome back to a new video. So in this video I will be showcasing one of my recent builds, which is a MERN e-commerce application. So in this video I'm just gonna showcase it and let's hear what you guys think about this project. So let's get started and let's see what this app has. So this is my home page. Okay, this is a completely MERN stack based and a completely dynamic e-commerce application with cart functionality and everything else which is needed in an e-commerce application. So I'm just gonna show everything to you. So this is my home page. Currently these are the only 8 products in the store. You can even add more. I will be showing that thing to you within a few seconds or minutes. All right, so this is one of our product. Let's go to this product. If I click on it, you can see the dynamic routing here, /product and query. It fetches this product from our database. That's what happening here. We can scroll through different images. We can add this product to the cart, and you can see a tiny pop-up up here. I can go to the cart. You can see it here. I can remove this product from the cart, go to here, the home page, and click on this one. I can see it, and I can even go for product like this, and if there are some reviews, it is gonna show us reviews. And how are these people adding reviews? Like, to add a review you must be logged in. I will show that to you. So right now it says hello guest, so I'm gonna click on this profile and it will take me to a login page. If not, it will take me to a dashboard page. All right, so I'm just gonna log in one of my account. Let's say minato@gmail.com. like I've already registered account here, and let's just say add the password and click on login. Before doing this thing, I want to show you one more thing. I'm just gonna copy it so that I can later log in. So I'm gonna click on register. So I can choose a profile picture also. Like, if the user wants to set his own profile picture, he can add it from here, or else if he leaves like without choosing any file, he will have this thing as his profile picture, like the one at the top right. Now I can register it with a Google as well, or directly with his name, email address and password. Alright, but now we're gonna do login. So I'm gonna paste it again and I'm gonna add the password. Alright, click on login and it will log the user in. Now you can see his name Minato here, his display picture here, and this is the dashboard. In this dashboard we are showing all the products that this particular user adds by himself. Alright, now if I go to the home page and see again another product, you can see there is an option to add your review. Alright, like that you can add review. You can select, give the rating based on stars. Alright, if I click on this, you can add that way, and let's just add a review. Alright, amazing book, and I'm gonna give it like 4 stars, let's say, and click on submit, and it's submitted. Isn't that great, guys? Isn't that great? It is, right? And then let's just add another review. Let's say, too bad. Don't think about the logic here. I'm just adding to show you something. Alright, this time I'm gonna give this a single star. Click on submit and you can see this. Now if I'm gonna like open this page again, you will see something here. There it is showing 3 stars, but why 3 stars? It's like 4 here, it's like 1. It's taking the average of both of them and then showing the like reviews, combining all the already existing reviews. Alright, that's what is happening here. And these are currently all the products. I have this user with me right now, so let's just like let's just add a product for now. So I'm going to go for amazon.in, and then within amazon.in let's just get a random product and add that product. Alright, let's just get this one, and within my app I'm gonna click on this new product, and we have a logout. If I click logout, it will just log out the account. Alright, so I'm gonna click on new product, and I can add a title, a description, the price, and I can add images by separated by a comma, or I can choose my images as well. So I'm gonna just copy this title, this much as the title. I'm gonna paste it here, and the rest will be the description. So I'm gonna copy it till here, come here, paste it, and within the price let's just add like $24 maybe. Alright, and then we are gonna like click on this, copy image address. I'm gonna say paste that image, enter a copy, like add a comma there, and go to its second image, copy this image address as well and paste it. And then I'm gonna say, like, let's take one more image. I'm gonna take this one and let's just say copy image address, go to dashboard and then paste it. Now I'm going to click on add product and let's see what happens. Click on it and you can see that product is right here. Like if I open the dashboard, you should see that product here. Like if I click on it, you can see that product is right here. Everything fine. Right now here you can see Firebolt Phoenix and it's giving us all the details of that product. Now I'm going to show you something else. Within the dashboard, I'm going to say, let's just notice that this is $16 right now and its name is like this, and right now we will be changing that stuff. All right, click on this, edit, and I will be able to change its description, its name, its price as well. I'm going to make its price $17, its name from action figures to action figures, action figure. All right, or I'll make it like this. All right, and click on submit edit, and now you should see it's $17 and it's like action figures now. And isn't it great, guys? Isn't it great? Right, now I want to show you one more feature that exists. Like if I search for app, it's gonna show me the products which have app in their title, or you can say name. If I search like Asus, it's gonna show me the Asus laptop which is there right here. All right, and if I go like this, I'm into the product page. All right, I'm gonna copy it, open it in a new tab. It's directly showing up right here. Isn't it? Isn't it great, guys? Now let me show you one more thing. Like if I go to like this search, all right, let's just search for Apple. I'm gonna copy this search as well. Let's just close this part for now. Let's copy this. I'm gonna paste it here. It's gonna directly show me the results and I can go to the results. Like dynamic routing and dynamic fetching, everything is perfectly awesome. Now don't think that this project is actually hosted on the site. No, it's actually not. It's like a different story. I have to like launch my server on another terminal. Like this is my server, and within this server I have to relaunch every time I open this, so that's a big mess. So don't think that I have hosted the site or anything. All right, so if you want a tutorial on this project, just let me know in the comments. It will be a completely beginner friendly MERN project. Just let me know. I will be waiting for your comments. All right, so for now I'm just gonna say log out, and it's back log out now. I can't go to the dashboard page anymore. You can see it's gonna bring me back to the login page. That is what is happening here. All right, so if you want this project to be in your portfolio and want to learn how to do it, just drop your comments in there. I'll be waiting. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll meet you again, I hope, with a tutorial on this project. It is. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.